Okay, so today we are reviving the compost mound because I have an old compost mound over there. There it is, but it has overgrown with some stuff going on around. So, but I need the soil at the bottom of my compost mound. So I'm just gonna restructure it in a way that anything that's not usable will go into this new compost mound I just made. This is what you need for a compost mound. Some kind of a structure, a frame around it. Fix the frames together. I used a piece of string and that's it. You begin shoveling organic matter into it, and that's a compost mound. A compost mound is basically a huge organic waste bin which gives you free soil and top quality soil for that matter. So if you have organic waste, then you should be doing compost mounds as well. Let's see. And of course, for compost mounds it's good to have a pitchfork at hand. Okay, so let's see. So this is my compost mound, my old compost mound. It's about 1.5 meters across and perhaps 2 or 3, maybe 3 meters long to the back right there. And if you can see, it's just heaps of pine leaves, other leaves. This is from the rose bushes, it's just rose cuttings. Anything that's organic can come here. And the deeper you dig, so this is like 0 centimeters. After 50 centimeters, you already have nice organic matter. This is even better than premium category potting soil. Let's see. If I grip on it, then it almost stays in a lump of compost. That's how you know it's good enough for planting. Yeah. And it smells really good, like top quality planting soil. And actually, as a bonus, I found this string from maybe 2 years ago that I used to use somewhere, and well, I'm not sure how it ended up in the compost mound, but I can still use it around the house. For example, to fix my new compost mound, because now I have fresh string attaching these boards together like that. But actually I could have used this old piece of string, it's not that bad. Okay, so this is how you make a new compost mound. So let's get all the compost from here out from the old mound, and the rest, the fresh organic matter or relatively fresh ones, I'll just move them here to the new compost mound. Let's get to it. So I have just filled the first tier with compost and some ordinary potting soil. Then comes the second tier, like that. I need some more compost. So I've got the shoots here. We'll select 3 of these. 1, 2 and 3. We'll see. I was told that 4 tires are far more than what you would need, but we'll see in a couple of weeks or months. So 1, 2, and 3. It has these roots already. Looks nice. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. Okay, that's it. We'll water them in the evening. And the rest of the towers I'm gonna build from 3 tires each. We'll see how deep they go. Let's go.